Welcome to Ethical AI for Small and Medium Businesses. I'm so glad you are here. Over the next series of lessons, we are going to take a journey together, one that will change the way you think about AI in your business. Now, this isn't about abstract theory, it's about practical, real world strategies that small and medium sized businesses like yours can actually apply. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Sateesh Peetha. I've spent more than 15 years building scalable systems in cloud architecture, systems design, and startup ecosystems. I've founded The Hope, Climate Change Solutions Incorporated, and thehope.org. Through this work, I've been focused on building solutions for sustainability, clean energy, and advanced technologies that don't just push boundaries, but serve society responsibly. And here's what I've learned. Technology is powerful, but it is never neutral. Every line of code, every algorithm, every data set carries choices, and those choices have consequences. Consequences for your business, for your customers, and for society at large. This is why ethics in AI matters. If we ignore ethics, we risk building systems that amplify bias, destroy trust, or even put people at harm. But if we get it right, we create opportunities, systems that empower, that are transparent, that are accountable, and that win customer loyalty. So, when I say technology is never neutral, I want you to understand that you, as a business owner or employee, are shaping the impact AI has every time you deploy it. Ethical AI is about being intentional with those choices. Now let's set expectations. This course is designed with you, the SMB owner or professional, in mind. We'll be blending clear frameworks with hands-on examples. You'll see how concepts like fairness, transparency, and accountability play out in real SMB contexts, whether it's hiring, marketing, or customer service. You'll also engage in assignments to reflect on your own business and identify where ethical risks and opportunities lie. By the end, you won't just understand ethical AI in theory. You'll actually have your own ethical AI policy document, something you can take back to your workplace and use. Think of this as a toolkit. Every concept we cover is another tool you can use to make better, fairer, and more responsible decisions when you adopt AI systems. So as we get started, keep this in mind. Ethical AI is not a barrier, it is an enabler. It builds trust, strengthens your brand, and makes your business resilient for the future. With that foundation, let's move forward into why ethical AI matters for SMBs in Lesson 2.